Okay, traders, hope you guys did well today. QCOM, our leading gapper this morning, ended up trading up from around $58 yesterday to a high of $82.52 today. Ended up trading this one on the short side. You guys will get to see it live. Okay, traders, we got a few seconds till the market opens on up here. What am I watching this morning? A lot. We'll go over it here shortly because we only got 20 seconds till the market opens on up. QCOM is continuing the momentum here. Really interested in a short sale here. ARQL continuing to sell off. Man, that was my bread and butter this morning. ARQL was getting overextended and coming right up to its resistance. We pull up the daily chart on it. 675, very tough resistance on it. Came right up to it and it opened right at 675 as well. I should have just went ahead and took a position on it. This is what I've been focusing on. Overextension to resistance, taking a short position. I just didn't pull the trigger there on ARQL. I'm not going to chase this one down. We have a defined high at 82.52. I went ahead and took a position on QCOM at 81.50, just risking off of 82.50. Interested in risking just 25 bucks there. If it ends up breaking 82.52, that's when I'll be out. Just risking $25. If not, I'll let that thing continue to just sell on off. Up about $1 on it, but I don't want to sell myself too early here. I think we have the potential to fade. We're up from like, what, $55 to 82. So I'm going to hold this position. If it comes back up to 82.52, I will be out. I'll happily lose $25. If it continues to fade throughout the day, I'll make a decent amount of money there on it. What I did notice here was it tried to break out here, and it was a fake out breakout. So when I noticed that fake out breakout, I was like, ooh, this is trapping longs here. I want to get involved with this. So that's when I got involved there. So I'm happy here. I'm happy here to let this fade throughout the day. It's probably going to be up and down here a little bit. I'm just going to risk off 82.52. I mean, that's got $2.50 to go. What am I going to do? Take half of my 25 shares off? Trying to hold $80 here. This one's sitting pretty heavy at the moment. You see that upper shadow there? I think it has potential to climb here a little bit, but it is pretty heavy right now, so I'm happy with my position. Shorts are adding to their positions on these pops. That was very strange. It hit 81.50 and then just shooting down. That was very weird. Still heavy though, as you can see, all these upper shadows. Every time it tries to get a pop, just really tall upper shadows. So it's sitting pretty heavy right now. Shorts are really putting it in on every single pop here. We need some panic. Put this thing in a halt. Now it would be really nice if the VWAP held here. See, now we're under the VWAP. We want it to hold this time. Let's have that area hold, and the upper shadow is coming right up to that 80 area and holding. That's what we want. It needs to stay under it. See how it just turns into a bouncy ball? We have up, down, up, down. Still green on the day, which concerns me. I want it red on the day. I took off QCOM at 79.50. Obviously should have been holding on to that one a little bit longer. Okay, traders, let's go over QCOM just here for a little bit. If you were in pre-market, I was saying this one's probably going to go parabolic to a short sale. That's what I was looking for. The thing is, in which I'm very happy with how I traded this, is I waited for it to find a high. And we saw that high here at 82.52. We pulled back, and then we came back up. You see this upper shadow here. This upper shadow means, it tried again to reach that high, but it couldn't do it. A lot of shorts and a lot of selling pressure pushed into it, and that's when I took my short position where we saw it fall, and my risk was off at 82.52. I had very small share size, which helped accommodate those emotions, mitigate that risk. And although I covered it a little early, I'm very pleased with it because I've been able to hold these shorts a lot longer than I'm able to hold longs. I've seen these over and over and over again, and I'm very comfortable here. You have to understand the psychology of traders. When everyone thinks this is going up forever, that's probably the beginning of the end. I spotted the high, this one pulled back and tried it again, had a strong upper shadow here, and that's when I said, okay, I'm pretty comfortable here taking a short. It even tried pushing up again right here, strong upper shadow, very heavy, ended up breaking, cracking, now sitting at 78.88. This is what the daily candle looks like right now. Honestly, most likely, this one's going to pull back even further. Okay, traders, it's 11:17. I had to step out for a few minutes, got a call, but here's QCOM right here. QCOM sitting at 77.30. Has gone red on the day, went green to red. The main thing I really want you guys to understand from QCOM before we wrap up the video is you guys know I like overextension to resistance. Well, on the daily, we didn't have any resistance. This was just clear skies ahead. We had $75 as resistance, but on the 3-year chart, we didn't have any other resistance. So what do you play as resistance? I called this in pre-market parabolic out of the gates, but what do I wait for? I wait for the high to form and then the retest of the high and see what this candlestick does. Upper shadow, got heavy and started selling on off. So traders, that's going to wrap up this video. Let me know how you guys did today. I'm going to take my $50 and run. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, and we will see you all tomorrow.